Okay guys, so magsosolve ulit tayo ng problems using yung distance formula na natutunan natin sa ating lecture. So right here, we have a problem in which we need to find the distance between the points A and B. Kung saan yung A ay may coordinates na 5 and negative 12 at ang B is may coordinate na 0, 0. Okay? So let's start solving this problem by plotting yung mga points natin, okay? So, let us start plotting itong point A. So, ang point A natin is located in positive 5, negative 12, okay? So, we will just assume it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative 12 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? So, again, gumagamit lang tayo ng approximation, no? Para may locate natin yung dots. Okay? So, kung saan magmi-meet yung x and y coordinates natin, yun ang location ng ating point A, okay? So, in this case, ito ang ating point A, okay? So, ang point A ay may coordinate na 5 and negative 12. Okay? Ito namang ating point B is located in 0 and 0, no? That means it is located dito sa origin. So this is our point B, which is 0 and 0. Okay, so ito naman yung distance between the points na kailangan nating i-measure. So in order to do that, we need to use the distance formula, no? So again, ang distance formula is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay? So, substitute natin yung mga values natin. No? Yung x1 natin is yung x-coordinate ng point A, and yung x2 natin is yung x-coordinate ng point B. Same ang gagawin natin dito sa ating y-coordinate, okay? So, D is equal to the square root of, ang x2 natin is 0, minus, ang x1 natin is 5, and then squared, plus, ang y2 natin is 0, minus, ang y1 natin is negative 12, okay? So, we have negative 12 squared right here. So, we'll have here D is equal to the square root of negative 5 squared plus, okay, positive 12 squared, right? So, that means we'll have here the square root of positive 25 plus positive 144. So, 25 plus 144 will have here as the square root of 169. Okay, in which 169 is equal to 13 units. And this is our final answer for this problem. Then, let's proceed sa sunod na problem natin. In here, ang question natin is to find the distance between the points A and B, in which yung A ay may coordinate na negative 2, negative 3, at ang B naman ay may coordinates na 1 and 0. So, ilocate muna natin yung point A natin, no? So, ang point A natin is located to negative 2. This is negative 2 and negative 3. So, 1, 2, 3. So, itong negative 3. Therefore, ang point A natin is located somewhere here. So, this is our point A, which is negative 2, negative 3. And then, locate naman natin ngayon yung ating point B, which is 1 and 0. So, 1 and 0. So, 0 ang ating Y. Therefore, ang ating point B ay nandito sa x-axis. So, ito ang ating point B. And then, we are measuring the distance between the 2 points. So, ito yung distance na kailangan nating i-measure. And now, we're going to calculate yung distance between 2 points. So, we're going to use the distance formula. So, again, ang distance formula is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay? So, ang ating point 1 is yung A, and ating point 2 is yung B. So, substitute natin yung mga coordinates nila. No? So, we have square root of, ano yung x2 natin is 1, minus, ang x1 natin is negative 2, squared, plus, ang y2 natin is 0, minus, ang y1 natin is negative 3, squared. Okay, so we'll have here square root of 3 squared plus positive 3 squared. Okay, therefore, we'll have here the square root of 9 plus 9, which is also equal to the square root of 2 times 9. Right? Then we can get the square root of 9. And then we'll use the rule of roots, which is d is equal to the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. Therefore, this is equal to 3 square root of 2 units. So, this is our final answer for this question. Well guys, marami pa tayong sample problems na sasagutan. So, we are inviting you to join our free online lecture in Analytic Geometry sa www.engineers.org. Hi guys, the video that you saw is part of our lecture course sa engineers.org. So, we are inviting you to register sa aming website www.engineers.org, and you can enroll to our free courses na makikita ninyo sa aming website. We also have a collection of ebooks in our library na magagamit ninyo sa inyong pag-aaral. We are also asking for your help and support sa aming YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga posts namin.